Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create free UK WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create free UK WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp to the latest version, or if you're using WhatsApp Business, update your WhatsApp Business to the latest version. And also just search for Secure VPN, right? Secure VPN over here. So just open Secure VPN and make sure you connect to Secure VPN over here. So you can see checking network settings once you open Secure VPN. Now all you need to do is to just click on connect, and once you click on connect over here, you can see it is connected already. So just go back, and once you go back, open this application. If you're already having this application, make sure you update it. Receive SMS online, it is on Play Store. So just open Receive SMS online over here. Once you search for this application, you can see the countries over here. Now choose United Kingdom. We have a lot of countries over here, but in this video we are going to use United Kingdom. Make sure you select the country and then select the number, click on copy. Now once you have copied the number, open your WhatsApp over here. Now once you open your WhatsApp, make sure you select the country over here. Now we selected UK number, so you need to make sure you select your country to be UK. And now let's paste the number over here. Please make sure you don't do any mistake. Follow all the steps so that you don't make any mistake. So delete the 44 because the +44 is already here. So when you copy the number and see the +44, just delete the 44. Now click on next over here, and once you click on next, you can see connecting. Now just go back and then open your Receive SMS online. You can see the verification code. Refresh the page. Now you can see the verification code over here. Use this verification code to create your unlimited WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and